Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is child windows. A child window is created when clicking a link opens a new tab or a window. External pages like reports, help, payments open. We already seen this in the code previously, but this is a detailed explanation about child windows. Important points are the original window is the parent, the newly opened one is the child. Selenium cannot interact with child unless we switch. Real world flows are store parent window handle, perform action, then open child window. Switch to child window, perform validations and actions, close the child window, then switch back to the parent window. Here in the sample script, I am following the same. First, I am in the parent window. I will print the parent window and the title of that particular parent window. Then switch to the child window, print the child window title, and then switch back to the parent window. This is how child windows are handled in Selenium automation. I will run the script, then you will have more understanding. You see, this is the parent window and title of this will be printed here. If you see here, parent window is this, parent title is title free CRM. Switch to the child window. After switching, it try to print the window title also and switch back to the parent window. And if I press enter, application will be closed. So this is how you need to switch and work with the child windows and parent windows accordingly. Child windows always require explicit switching. Never lose the parent window handle. Close child windows to avoid test instability. After working or actions are performed in child windows, always close the child windows. Before, if you see here, I have closed and then I have quit. So that's why whenever you work with child windows, first close the child window, then switch back.